everyone, today we're gonna make stuff with clay. Let me show you first what me and Sarah made. Sarah was from the last video, you know her. Don't act like you don't. Okay.
But go back if you didn't see that last video.
Sarah, me. Sarah, me. We both are very good. Say in the comments which one is better.
You're gonna win, Brinley.
No, you are. Your snail is better than mine. Well, let's get to the video now. By the way, after the video, if you want me to make something that you didn't see, go ahead and say in the comments. Don't be scared. Don't be a scaredy cat. Like when Sophia gets hit by Sarah. Okay.
I don't hit her unless she's doing something really mean.
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
really mean.
First, we're gonna make something from Minecraft. What we're gonna make is not the creeper. The wither. Pretty simple, but this time we're gonna go beast mode with all our sculpting tools.
Well, those are my sculpting tools that I brought.
Yeah, they're yours. You said those aren't. They are yours.
I said they are.
Ugh. I'm just gonna hear it again and see if you said aren't or are. But that's later. First, we got to make a cylinder out of clay. Then, press it down with your thumbs.
Little battery remaining.
Okay. Cancel. Okay. Then you make the sides. You can make it closer how you want. We're gonna make it a bit close today. We don't want it too skinny. Yeah. Hold on, I gotta get a bit more clay. Okay. Now we can continue. You can make it as high as you want. Make a rectangle, a square, what you want. Squares would be Minecraft mode, making squares and then toppling them on top of each other. That would be Minecraft mode. Okay, then you do this. That. Okay, then that's how you do the first part. Then, well, you can try making it if you want. Then, you get another row. Make it in a cylinder. Do the same process. Put it like that. If you want to change it, maybe make it a bit skinnier at the bottom, you can. I'm going to do that. It looks a bit like Siren Head now. Oh no, it's a vacuum. Whoa! It's a vacuum! It looks like it.
Looks like a pickaxe.
No, it actually does. The gum in my mouth is like dissolving. Oh, ew, it tastes like sand.
Do you even know what sand tastes like?
Yeah, I eat sand.
Ew.
That's why every single time I go in a dust room, I smell goodies, which is the dust. Then you can make a little cylinder out of a bit more clay. This time make a square. Put it right there. Then repeat the process. I'm going to try making it super quick for you. I don't know how to edit, but I'm going to see if I can after this.
Well, if you don't know how to, you'll probably just have to make it normal, the way it was.
Yeah, this is going to be so fun. Keep on repeating the process till you have 3 squares on top of the thing like this. Then you can make the face and everything.
Here, let's see it up close.
We're not gonna do anything. We're not gonna do anything like make extras. They will take like 7 minutes. You just do the extras. Cause we don't want you guys to be bored, and because
Could you show the one that I made?
no, they'll hate it.
No, they won't.
Say if this good or not. I'm pretty sure.
You'll hate it.
Yeah. It's so cute.
I made it, but this is my first time working with this clay, so I'm not good at this.
Okay, now I don't think we're gonna make any more today, cause I don't have enough time.
Here's all of them right here.
Well, I'll see you next time. Part 2 is coming soon.
Bye.